On the northeast shores of Lake Washington, you'll find a small bedroom community called Lake Forest Park, tucked between Shoreline, Briar, and Bothell. And in there is a neighborhood called Horizon View, and that's where you'll find our newest listing. And what I love most about this listing is the resort-style living. This mid-century modern Rambler is offered at $949,000. This beautifully landscaped home continues through to the gated courtyard into the mosaic tile granite floor entryway. As you enter the living room, you notice the entryway melds into the iconic stone wood fireplace. As we enter the formal dining room, you see a nice hutch area for entertaining, a large kitchen with eating space, tile floors, lots of cabinet space, and built-in double oven and cooktop. This entertainer's room offers access out to the amazing Trex deck, which sprawls out all the way to the in-ground pool with water slide and diving board, a fenced backyard, and easy-to-maintain turf. As we head to the back, we find this huge primary suite, along with double closets and a 4-piece ensuite. This 2,130 square foot Rambler offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, an attached 2-car garage, and extra space for RV and boat parking. This home has been lovingly maintained and it shows. Call 206-351-0543 for your private showing,